Hey everyone, this is part 3 of cleaning this truck up. Now we're going to do the exterior. First we're going to just pressure wash it, get all this dirt off, and then we're going to use some soap and clean it up. And then we're running out of time today, but hopefully tomorrow we can wax it up and make it really pop. Even with the quick hit of the pressure washer, it's looking a lot better. But I'm sure when this dries, it's gonna look really bad and you're gonna be able to see everything I just missed. Still gotta wash out the bed. Just doing the final touches here. We were just using some soapy water and then a towel to scrub it in. But turns out pretty good. It's not perfect. Like I say, we're gonna wax it hopefully tomorrow, but it'll do the job for now.